Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn the lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone, and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletter, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 7 Geography, Social Science, Chapter 1 Environment. The first question of the textbook is answer the following questions. In that, the first one is what is an ecosystem? The system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by the transfer of energy and material, is called an ecosystem. What do you mean by the natural environment? The basic components and organisms that are naturally present in the environment without any human involvement, like the land, water, air, plants, and animals, comprise the natural environment. Which are the major components of the environment? The major components of the environment includes the natural components, that is air, water, land and living things, man-made components, that is components created by human beings, human components, that is human population. Give 4 examples of a human-made environment. 4 examples of human-made environments are buildings, parks, industries and bridges. What is lithosphere? The solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth is called the lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Which are the two major components of biotic environment? The two major components of biotic environment are plants and animals. What is biosphere? Biosphere or the living world is the narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. The plant and animal kingdom together form the biosphere. The question 2 of the textbook is tick the correct answer. Which is not a natural ecosystem? So desert, aquarium, forest. So the aquarium is not a natural ecosystem. Which is not a component of human environment? So land is not a component of human environment. Which is a human made environment? So road is a human made environment. Which is a threat to environment? So growing population is the threat to our environment. Next question is match the following. So these are the column A and this is column B. The column A is our biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, environment. We have to match that with this. So biosphere is E, narrow zone where the land, water and the air interacts. Atmosphere, blanket of air which surrounds the earth. Hydrosphere, domain of water. Environment are surroundings. Main question 4 is give reasons. The first one is man modifies his environment. So man modifies his environment to fulfill his basic needs as it is the basic life support system. He builds houses to live in and industries to work in, which modifies the environment and also its mineral wealth. Humans have used the fossils for their own development. disturbing the ecological system and animal habitats. Second, plants and animals depend on each other. So, plants and animals are interdependent on each other because plants are the producers and animals are the consumers. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere, which is inhaled by human beings, and humans exhale carbon dioxide, which helps plants in producing their own food. So, plants and animals both are dependent on each other. So, this was chapter 1 of Geography of Standard 7 Social Science. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.